Hi guys and welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these sticky toffee blondies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl and place in your white chocolate, followed by the butter, and then melt in a microwave on 30-second intervals until it's melted. Again, then give it all a good whisk together, and this is just to combine it. It should look a little something like this, quite a matte colour. Then add in your brown sugar. I'm using dark brown as it'll really add some caramel flavour. And as you can tell, I was having a bit of a hard time incorporating the butter. Don't worry, once you add in the eggs, this will all incorporate a bit better. So just add the eggs and mix until it's fully incorporated, and you should get this beautiful coloured mixture. Once you've got that, don't forget to add in your vanilla. It's very important to add the vanilla. It's just a very good base note. Mix that until fully incorporated, then go ahead and add in all of your dry ingredients, not forgetting your pecans, which have been roughly chopped, and then some white chocolate as well. And don't forget the dates and sultanas, as that's really what you have in a sticky toffee. Then fold everything together until it's fully combined, being careful not to over mix the mixture at any point. Grab your tin, which has been lined with some parchment paper, and then pour it into there and spread and level it out as best as you possibly can, but it'll do that very naturally anyway. Trust me, these are very, very rich, and it does taste a lot like sticky toffee, but in a blondie form, which is perfect. And again, you don't really have to do too much, it's a very easy tray bake. Then on top, I added some caramel, and as you can tell, the caramel is almost the same colour as the actual blondie batter, so you can't really see where the caramel starts and where the blondie starts, but just know there are pockets of caramel swirled throughout the blondie. You can then go ahead and take a butter knife and swirl that caramel around so you have pockets of caramel throughout the blondies whenever they are cut up. Just before you place these into the oven, you'll want to take some more roughly chopped pecans and scatter them on top. I just really like pecans with sticky toffee, it just works so well for me personally. But once you've done that, you can then go ahead and place it into your preheated oven. All of that information will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below, check it out. So then once the blondies are fully baked and cooled, you can slice them up. I went with around 8 portions, but feel free to cut them into more or less. These are very rich, as they are meant to be like sticky toffee inspired, and as you can tell, look how dense and good that looks. You've got pockets of caramel, you've got the fruit, you've got everything you need. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social media. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.